About to sit down. Oh, that's good. If y'all know about that, they call it I think sunset or sunrise. I'm not sure. But Roscoe Chicken and Waffle ain't no other right here on Manchester. I'm just saying. Feels good to sit still. I still got exhaust ringing in my ear, but it ain't over. I still got to ride home. Hey y'all, live and direct. We at Happy Times Burger. Where we at, Steve? Happy Times Burger. Hey y'all, it's my man Steve over here. He do the detailing over in Watts, man. You know, like I said, I work on Money's Car Stereo hookup. Not hookup. What would we say? Network of friends. So we can make things happen, you know. So when you show up in somebody's city, you need something, or say something, you can help each other. You know, just network, fellowship with people. You know. So my man Steve took me around today. We had to handle some business. So we on this end of this run, and we got me over here at the Happy Time Burger, man. He said, Rob, you know, I'm good with that. So I'm gonna let y'all see what I see. We're gonna get some good food in, talk some motorcycle shit, and keep it moving. And if you want some bike detail, how you get with you, Steve?
Yeah, hit me on Instagram. Get money, Stevie.
Yeah, and he had you shining, baby. I'm telling you, shining. Gotta go. Well, America, in my burning back voice, it's time to go home. We vacationed all weekend vacation. I believe I've rode all I can rode for right now. On the final stretch, get up out here, beat the sun, and take it to the house, and keep it moving. Wayne's Car Stereo will be open for business on Monday. Gotta take some time to recover. See you at the finish line. Unbelievable. Die a block from the house. Got a little too progressive on the shift. Belt said, no, we're not having it. But my people saw what happened. So we got the truck out. We finna go put him up on the truck and try and get him back to the house. I couldn't stay the lane. Oh, we recording?
Yes, sir.
Man, block from the house, baby. Block from the house after 15,000 miles plus. Donnie, what you see happen, man? What you tell the world what you saw?
I was at the market. I seen hop on it, and I just like, oh.
I was gonna give it a blast down the block, and it said pink. I was like, the fuck? Looked around. I just let it coast out. See if I can get maximum coverage out of it. 1, 2, 3. But the good thing is the block from the house. Like I told y'all about this ramp. It's a one-man show kind of scenario. As long as your feet are on the ground, show them feet on the ground, right? Your feet on the ground, you can get up out of there. Like that, just walk it down. I'm going slow for show purposes, but like that.
It's still rolling though.
Yeah, still roll.
Still roll.
So we're gonna strip him down, put him on the rack, and we're going hard dance and get us a belt, because it ain't over with yet. That's all I got to say. Here, I'm telling you, man, if it weren't for friends, I'd have no friends at all. I'm telling you.
What's up, man?
What's good?
Yeah.
Good to see you. Appreciate you, Johnny.
Yeah,
Appreciate you, man. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Oh, yeah.
I'll be damned.
Get right here.
Yeah.
Oh, you saw? Did you see it online?
I just watched. I just got off my computer and went to my phone, and I'm like, damn. First I thought you was out of gas. Top off.
That's how they get at me. Cap was saying, Rob, make sure you put the gas. I said, it say 25 to the house, and the light just came on.
Yes.
He said, I'm running to the house. And we was talking shit all the way to the exit, and I said, okay, I'm finna just hit it down past G-Market. I'm like, vroom, vroom, vroom. I'm like,
instead of just going easy, I'm cruising on to the house.
No,
I hit the block. I see it in front of somebody's house. I see,
that bike look familiar. It's like money bike. Here he comes. He pull over, man. I back up. He like, man, I need some help.
And that's all I got to say. Good friends and good times to be had by everything. We got to go. Got to fix it now. Never know, we might see you next. Got to go.
Damn it.
Or as they say, all good things come to an end. It came to an end on live. When I dumped the clutch and it broke free. So, it's the end of the belt, the end of the ride. Maybe is my bike way of telling me, give me a break. I ain't going no further. I've made it home. I've did my part. I quit. Maybe that's what it was trying to tell me. So, to be continued. Finna lay it down, normalize my ears, and we'll revisit this another day. It's on the rack, so I can't do no more. We out. Out of there. And that's the collection of broke belts. Guess where I'm at? I like this one. These are some cute little rims here. These are cool. These are sicker. I see customization you can do with that. This is interesting too. It's the same color as the bike on it. And the blades kind of jump out. A 3D-ish right here. I like that. And that coating on the exhaust. Nice. What they asking for this? 41. Be 50 when it's over with. It is nice. It is nice. Fresh belt, fresh clutch, fresh oil change. Hell, I'm ready to go again. Shout out to Fargo, my engine man, who pretty much gave me what I wanted. I needed enough to get out the way and keep up if necessary, and it did every inch of that. So I am very well pleased with Fargo Engineering. My man Jay did me right. So yeah, just had to get that grime off me. If you got a pretty bike and you get out there on the road, boy, be prepared, because it'll take a hit. They hit me back to the primer stage in a few spots. So we're gonna rework a little bit on the paint on the top half. But for the most part, I'm loving it. I enjoyed my experience. People have been popping up. Even the firemen came over here today talking about Rob. We didn't know who you are, but we seen a bike before and heard you was out there. I said, hell yeah, I was out there. Like I said, can't stop, won't stop. I feel like Tupac, me against the world right about now. Ain't got nothing to lose, just me against the world, baby. Gotta go.